All right, it's been a while, but I think I still have these magic skills. Fernet and Coke. Ice. Fernet. Coke. Now enjoy. Cheers. What's going on, D-Real Grillers? Yes, we're back with another video, and we got something new and really exciting, out of the pocket, out of this world for you guys. Today we're going to do what we in America would consider an exotic collection of meats, but most of these things are normal place in Argentina. Yes, we're talking about offal. We got tripe, we got kidneys, we got liver, we got all sorts of stuff, and guess what? It's all going on the grill. Can't wait to try this. Or maybe I can. All right, so our first step is we're gonna start the base marinade for most of our offal. What we have in here is some chopped parsley and some minced garlic. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add some fresh lemon juice. That's one whole lemon. Fresh ground pepper, fresh salt, nicely ground salt, and olive oil. Give it a nice stir. And for stuff like the kidneys, this is going to be great because the kidneys have a very strong smell to it initially. But once you add some lemon juice and this marinade to it, it'll help the kidneys to absorb the flavor, and it would mask that natural strong smell it has. So as you can see, we've already have our kidneys soaking in lemon and lime juice with a little salt and pepper. Now, when you buy your kidneys, they're going to be whole, and you're going to have to prep them. You're going to start by removing the fat that's at the bottom. You're going to cut them up. And don't be alarmed if you have a strong smell. That's why you're going to soak them in the salt, pepper, and the lemon and lime juice to help reduce that smell. But once you start cooking them, it's going to smell fabulous. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our parsley, garlic, salt and pepper, and olive oil, and we're going to add 2 nice size tablespoons to this, and we're going to mix it up. All right, so we have our kidneys marinated, and we're going to leave them marinated for like 30 minutes. Now we're going to start our tripe, also known as intestines, chitlins. So we're going to add some minced garlic, 4 cloves to be exact. So we added our garlic. Now we're going to add some lime and lemon juice. We have a lot of tripe, so we're going to use 1 whole lime and 1 whole lemon. Salt and pepper. Now mix. All right, since we have the rest of our offal marinated, we're gonna go ahead and throw our gizzards on there. So sauce. So we're going to be basting it with lemon juice periodically and just adding salt and pepper as we need for it to be. But right now we're just going to add some fresh lime juice. All right, so now we're going to put our kidneys on the grill. So exciting. All right. So we've taken off our kidneys and our gizzards. They're all done. We're going to try them all at the same time. And now it's time to put the pièce de résistance, the star of the show, your favorite tripe. We prepared our tripe two ways. One way is we have a traditional way, which is just going to be cooking it like this. And the second way we have it actually braided. So the long ones, we put it in a braid and we're going to cook them like that. All right, our tripe is all nice and done. You see how much it shrunk? Oops, it's squirting too. Wow, look at that. Now it's time to taste. I would say I'm excited, but that would be a lie. Let's go. All right, you guys, so now it's coming down to the taste test. As you can see, I have my assistant Bear with me. Whatever I don't eat, he will be eating. So, as you see, we have the gizzards right here. This is the kidney, and we have our our tripe, the braided way and the traditional way, and it's accompanied with our chimichurri. If you want to know our chimichurri recipe, please see the link in the description below, which is our chimichurri recipe. So I'm about to try this. Bear with me. So first is the gizzards. So this is get a whole bunch of chimichurri on there. Pause. I'm sorry, we had to cut. Being honest, full disclosure, that was disgusting. However, it was my first time trying turkey gizzard. Normally we try chicken. Chicken is way better. Whoever was shopping, they messed up big time. Now, it's time to try the kidney. Okay, gotta cut a small piece. Chimichurri. It reminds me of liver. I wouldn't recommend it as go-to meal. I enjoyed it better than the gizzard. I'll say that. I enjoyed it better than the gizzard. It has a very strong liver type texture and taste to it. Without the chimichurri, it's inedible. You can't eat without the chimichurri. You have to have the chimichurri with it. But with it, it complements very, very well. It's good. It's okay. It's not bad. All right. Here we go. What you guys have probably been waiting for. What I haven't been waiting for. The tripe. As you can see, it's very tough. It doesn't cut. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get as much chimichurri as possible. It's like meat flavored gum. It's very chewy. Excuse me. I can't eat it. I'm sorry. I hope you guys like this video. Oh my God. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was interesting. It was adventurous. And it was great. But please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video. Comment down what kind of recipes you want us to try. You know, at D-Real Grill, we'll try almost anything once. Evident by today. Tripe, kidneys, gizzards. It all went down. Cheers. See you in the next video. And it's accompanied with our chimichurri. Excuse me, wow.